guys, today we're in the beautiful village of Sintra. It could be a great day trip from Lisbon if you're in the area. So we'll show you around the village. It's really quaint, cute place to explore, and then we'll show you the beautiful Pena Palace. There's a few different palaces in Sintra, but we'll show you the beautiful, stunning red gold one that you probably see in photos, and we'll show you how to get there. It can be a little bit confusing. Things aren't super well marked, so we'll take you through on the journey, so when you come here, you know exactly how to get where you need to go.
Arriving in Sintra, you can see the Moors castle over there, and this is the bus 434 that you have to take to go to the Moors castle and the Pena Palace.
So you have a few different options with this bus company. We chose to take the 434, which does a loop from the Sintra train station, which I think is the easiest place to catch the bus. It goes to the Moors Castle, Pena Palace, and back. If you have other plans in the area, like if you want to go to the beach, you could take the €15 ticket. That's for the whole day. But if you just want to do the line in Sintra and see the castle, it's $6.90. So make sure you ask, because they may try to upsell you.
34 bus leaves you here. You can buy tickets and get in there. Okay, so the good news is once you're in the grounds of the Pena Palace, it is actually very well indicated. It's pretty confusing to get here, I'm not gonna lie. I think they could do a better job with the signs of how to hike here, and then if you take a tuk-tuk, it's kind of unclear where they leave you and how to get there from the drop-off spot, but the bus, I think, is the best way to go and leaves you in a very clear direction. But once you're here, that's all done, and then it's very easy to figure out where you're going on the grounds.
We're in a tunnel from the entrance to the higher part of the castle. Hopefully the end of the tunnel is close. And we can access all of this just with the grounds of the palace. So what we read is that it doesn't really need to go inside the palace. That's €14, I think. We paid just $7 or $7.50, and you can get closer to all that beautiful place. From the Palacio you can see the Moors castle over there. We chose just to come here and see it from there because we felt that it had a better visual effect from afar than just from the castle. But well, this was a beautiful, beautiful visit. I really recommend the effort of walking, taking the bus, etc. It's definitely worth it. It's such a beautiful place.
So after you're done checking out the Pena Palace, we recommend going to the Cruz Alta Viewpoint to get a stunning view of the whole palace from further back. It's a little bit of a hike up. It's about 20 minutes all uphill, but it's not so bad. If I can do it, you can do it too. But it is pretty well indicated, so there's no problem getting there and back.
All right, guys, we're almost there. To the cross and a nice viewpoint just there's at the end. You can see the cross there. Woo!
Okay, so at the end of a pretty long 20 minutes walk up, I think depending on how used you are to hiking, you get this awesome Alto cruise, so the high cross, which you have a beautiful view of the castle.
Yeah, and the sea.
So after you felt like you've seen everything you needed to see at the Pena Palace and the Cruz Alta Viewpoint, you can head to the Moorish Castle if you'd like, or you can get on that 434 bus, the same ticket you bought earlier today, and head to Sintra Village. Sintra Village is really a beautiful place to spend an evening. We recommend that you get dinner, maybe a glass of wine, stroll through the shops, and really just enjoy the village. There are a few very lovely viewpoints to see, as well as some truly just picturesque, charming medieval streets in the village. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It helps us greatly. Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
If you want to see more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.